Voodoo, threats against a judge, and a confession tape in the murder during the Charlotte riots. It's been a week full of twists in the case against Raekwon Borum. Our Glenn Counts is live outside the Mecklenburg County courtroom. And Glenn, the judge told the courtroom he's staying put.
Well, you're right about that. The judge says he's not going anywhere. Now, of course, he says he was mainly concerned about his family, but that's when he believed that this was an actual threat. Once investigators learned that it was a voodoo threat, the defense withdrew their motion to have him step away. Prosecutors began to play Raekwon Borum's tape-recorded confession late this afternoon, and for a while there was some question as to whether the judge would continue working this trial. On Wednesday, he learned about a possible threat that Borum had made against him, and the defense asked him to recuse himself from the case.
I hadn't been prepped. I had no idea when the play button was pushed. I had no idea what I was getting ready to hear.
This morning, prosecutors said the alleged threat had been investigated by CMPD, and that Borum had gotten his mother to look for a spiritualist, an expert in voodoo, to put a hex on the judge and several others on his list to change his circumstances using the supernatural. Katrina Fan is a former correctional officer, now author, who has written about voodoo and the criminal justice system and says it's quite common.
It's not talked about, because one of the things the inmate said was that you're not supposed to let anybody know that you went to see a witchcraft, a doctor, a voodoo doctor.
The defense is arguing that Borum didn't intend to hurt anyone. They cross-examined Kenny Bowden, a key prosecution witness who saw the shooting, and got him to admit that Borum fired blindly.
Borum went like that and fired?
He didn't have his arms upside down.
Can you demonstrate for the jury how his arm was? Okay.
Well, now that taped confession lasts for about 3 hours, and for most of that time, Borum and the investigators are playing sort of cat and mouse, so the jury won't get a chance to hear the good part until sometime on Monday. Reporting live from the Mecklenburg County Courthouse, Glenn Counts, Channel 9 Eyewitness News.